Okay, God bless you, Sanbona. This is your prophet. Ngicela le video le ningiside imane ifike direct to Naledi Aphiwe noma ifike to anyone close to her. Ngiyathi ke incumbi yabantu nababona such videos, they think of ukuthi it's either you want fame of it noma you are expecting to gain something, maybe money or whatever. Ngicela ningive kahle, I'm not doing this video just because I want to do the video. I tried to ignore because of some reasons, but the spirit saqhubeka sangipressa ngokuthi ngiyende this video. Naye nakayithola athi futhi ukuthi it's not like I'm expecting something, but I want to help her. Futhi noma angakasasitwanga ke ngimi, ngicela labadutane naye bahambe bamtholele lisito to any prophet that they can trust. Le vision lengiyibonile ke, it's like I entered a room la bekakhona khona. Nangifika kule room ngabona celeni kwembhedze lokwe chest of drawer kungathi bekune sithombe sakhe Naledi namakwakhe. As soon as I entered the room, lesithombe sakhe namakwakhe, it fell on the ground. Sawa saphibika le glass, kwaphuma le glass lebalambili kule tithombe letifrenywa. And as I looked at that, in the room, I checked around. Even the room was a mess. The room. So I wanted to check where is the owner, because as I checked inside the room, ngambona ahlete kone Naledi kungathi ujutshwe inwele. Abejutshwe inwele takhe, they will know ke bantu labatema interpretations. Ngiko ngeke ngene into details la kule sithombe kule video le. Ngiko ngifuna ukukhuluma nabo private. Abejutshwe inwele kwangathi bekagundwa ngesikero. I saw iweave pass netinwele takhe physically tijutshiwe tikhathiwe amahlakahlaka lanhloko. Even the clothes that she wore bekangekho right. But nabele kufika kwangidisturba kakhulu. As I was looking labekahleli khona kuleli kona akhala, abekhala and akhala mbamba, such that even her face bekukubi kakhulu. And lambi kwakhe I saw a lot of drugs, emaphilisi, not drugs ezintitsakamiva. I saw emaphilisi, a lot of emaphilisi, lokufaka ekhathi emaphilisi ekulala, lokufaka ekhathi emaphilisi abo painkillers and everything. So ngaba disturbed with what I saw. Then kunale ngeke futhi ngize ngikhona ukusho because we are public and she's a public figure. But ngiyacela kwekuthi nimane ningiside, it's either ngikhona ukukhuluma nalodutane naye noma ngikhulume naye direct. She has to go and find help, otherwise lokhu umcinzetelako, because ngithe nangiphaphama on the dream, I started to pray about it. Ngidebate ukuthi what am I going to do about it, and I saw a lot of problems that are happening nyalo nje, including the headaches and including a lot of things that are happening with her. So ngiyacela labadutane naye, ngicela nimtholele lisito noma nangabe nifuna kuvisisa kahle ningitsinze etinombolweni tami. You can call my contacts so that we may talk about it. Athole lisito lelidzingekile, otherwise utasilimalela ngetindlela letinga understandeki. She needs serious attention. Angazama kutiqinisa. I don't know what's happening with her. Lokahle angimati dutane angati anything about her. Ngimatela nje social media netingoma takhe. But then ngiyacela labadutane naye, ngicela nimtholele lisito noma ningitsinze. I don't need any money, and this video it has got nothing to do with any gain, whether fame or whatever. But please, ngicela ningitholele lisito Naledi Aphiwe noma ningitsinze, so that into ngichazela kabanti ngikhona ukuchaza into detail because we are public la. But ngiyacela, it's very disturbing what I saw, and I'll go into detail. But ngiyacela anyone close to her or even her direct, she can call me +268 78 16 4257 noma +268 79 88 6302. I will talk to her. Sibone ukuthi how are we going to deal with what I saw. Otherwise, let's thombe lesiwile. I'm definitely sure ukuthi njengoba ngithena ngichecka, I even went to her social media nyalo ngathola ukuthi makwakhe washona, bengakulandzeleli bengakwatike lokho, but I saw a video la bekakhuluma khona ukuthi it's like ubuye emathuneni njani njani, it was a birthday whatever. ngithanda ukubona. So ngiyacela kule sithombe lengisibone siwa kuphabaka le glass, it's not a good sign, but I'll explain much kuloku lengu kule call lengicela siyende sikhulumene ngako. Otherwise angafisi ukuthi we can lose her. She's a superstar doing well, and angafisi ukuthi angalandzela makwakhe soon. So ngiyacela ningakuthathi kancane, angifune lutho, angidzingi gain, angidzingi fame, ngicela kumsita noma angithinze bese sohamba uyofuna lisito to anyone lata methemba futhi lata khona kumsita ngalendlela lengicela amsite ngayo. God bless you. Ngiyacela sishare le video ize ifike kuye noma ifike kulabadutane naye. God bless you. Thank you so much.
And of course, there we have it, as we are featuring this prophet who claims to be the man of God versus what he had to say about the Naledi Aphiwe, our Kakomelane. And before we get into today's topic, you already know that just click the subscription button. Anyway, let us get into today's conversation. But before we get into today's conversation, let me quickly read these comments for you guys. Omunye commented and said, "It's true. Just last night I had a dream that Naledi Aphiwe fell into a hole, then broken glass went into her towards her skin. She bled to death." There's this video where she mentioned that people bang futi banye futuku. Oh my goodness, please read for me. Mina, I dreamt about her yesterday. Aibo, she was wearing black and J. Anyway, guys, let us get into today's conversation because, wow, one thing about me, and if you are following me on my main channel, you would know how much I hate online or social media prophets. I don't believe in them, honestly. I don't trust them, honestly, because I feel like if indeed you communicate with God, He's going to show you means to connect with those people instead of sending you on a public platform and expose the prophecy that is supposed or that is meant to be sacred. Mind you, a prophecy is meant to be sacred. Why would God allow you to post something that is meant or something that is directed to one person on a public platform? Make it make sense to me. Because the minute you say, I dreamt about Naledi Aphiwe dying, obviously even her enemies are gonna have access to that prophecy. You're not only telling Aphiwe this message, but you're also informing her ancestor. Her enemies. Or is that the purpose of the prophecy, online prophecy? Guys, make it make sense to me. But on a brighter side, though, Naledi Aphiwe responded to him. She reacted to his video. Clearly, maybe there's some truth, in what he said on the video. There's some truth there, hence she even liked and saved the video. Like I always say, as much as we do believe that there are fake prophets out there, if you hear a prophecy about yourself, always be open-minded, number one. Number two, take that prophecy and work around it. Pray about it, ask God about it, and then you will see what you can do afterwards. So yebo basho njalo, omunye uthi he danya naye uzofa. Guys, kuningi, a lot is happening. Anyway, guys, how true do you think this information is? Do comment down below and tell me what you think about this, and I will definitely come back with another video after this one. Bye. And again, do not forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, you're almost there.